Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Hanukkah is a season of light, joy, and celebration. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Hanukkah discount in Shopify so your customers can enjoy special savings during the Festival of Light. So before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. For this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. If you know it, just grab it from there and follow along. And after installing it, just open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now choose the discount code as your discount type and add any discount. For now, I am adding Hanukkah 100 as my discount code. I am giving a percentage of 10 with a capping amount of 200. Now I am planning to apply my discount code for all the products. You can also set it with some specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it from here. For now, I am not adding any minimum purchase requirement. And I am planning to give this discount with some customer having some tag called VIP. You can also set it with all the customers. For now, I am adding for the VIP customers. So you can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total, and also you can set this limit one use per customer, which means you can also set this code to be used only one time per the customers. And you can also set some active dates like start date and end date through which the discount code is active. And also you can combine the code with the existing discounts like product discount or a shipping discount. So after adding all the details, I am just saving the changes. Now I am checking from the discount section that the Hanukkah 100, my code is got activated. And I am just checking the customers with the VIP tag from the customer section. Now you can see that this customer is having a tag called VIP. Now let's test this in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product of worth 5,000 for now. I'm adding my code here, applying it. Now you can see that it's not valid because we haven't entered any customer VIP customer details here. So I'm adding my customer detail here and just applying the code again. Now you can see that this code has been successfully applied and the discount amount of 200 is got deducted from the maximum price. Since the 10% of the 5,000 is 500, the cap amount, which is 200, ensures that the discount will never go beyond the cap amount, which is 200. Let's test with some other product now. So I'm trying to buy this product for 747. I have added the details of my VIP customer, and now I am adding my code here and applying it. Now you can see that the 10% of the 757, which is 75, is got deducted from the MRP, and this user will be getting 75 as the discount code for now. And that's how you set up a Hanukkah discount campaign in Shopify. Use the app link in the description to launch your offer today. And if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. Like always, don't forget to share, like, comment. Thank you for watching.